Hey guys, Mark Roemke with Ninja Training TV. We have Shoden level Uchi Waza from Kukishinden Ryu, and this is called the hitting technique. So we've been learning basic blocking with Hanbo. Now we're going to learn how to start to do some striking with it as well. Woo! Okay, so there's a cool flip technique. Let's do this side, it'll show it off better. As I come in, this one is from Shoshin. It's a middle stance with the sword at my side, kind of like Bujinkan if you're doing regular stances without the sword in your hand. So I have this kind of middle stance ready. I thrust in, he moves out to the side, and it says to hit down on the wrist. We were hitting on the sword. It doesn't really matter. Either one of these is going to get the effect you want, which is to bring my head down slightly as you hit. Or maybe they're really jacked up and you pop this and they drop this weapon. Then he goes and does his flip and comes in and thrusts to the Kasumi. This is the side of the head. And so this is a very effective and vulnerable place on people's skulls where you can crush it in a little bit easier. So let's do it one more time on the other side. We're here. We go. Pop. Boom. And as you can see, it's just battlefield ready. It's fast. The block comes in and the strike returns. That's why it's called the striking technique. So hopefully these battlefield tested Kukishinden Ryu techniques are fun for you guys. Please hit a thumbs up and let us know that you're out there and having fun with these. And as always, keep training.